Here's the last business task in our list of business tasks in step 6. Add credibility to yourself and to your business. Consider creating an InterNACHI chapter, and you can click the link to the chapter. So let's just do that right now. You can create a chapter for yourself and be the president of that chapter. So we have many InterNACHI member chapters. Some members choose to form local chapters, which may be incorporated or not. InterNACHI does not approve or supervise chapter activities and has no control over such chapters, but InterNACHI does provide a list of existing chapters for its members. And if you'd like to run a chapter of yourself and create one yourself, we have some resources for you. And here are some examples of some of the chapters we have all over the world. It's a long list. And making yourself a chapter president of your own chapter adds credibility to yourself and to your business. You can find an InterNACHI mentor or become one yourself and help to build a group of local inspectors who help each other in their business. And this adds credibility. And that's the mentoring program, the Home Inspector Mentoring Program. InterNACHI provides peer-to-peer learning experiences for both inspectors who need a little help and for experienced veteran inspectors who are interested in helping out other inspectors who need some help. So remember, you don't have to be an expert or an experienced inspector to add credibility almost instantly, simply by forming and being a president of your own InterNACHI member chapter. So that's your business task list. Let's go to essential tasks.